Hello everybody, it is the Naughty Investor here coming at you with another video, guys. In today's video I want to talk about technical analysis and specifically I want to talk about moving averages in this video. Now if you do want to learn more about technical analysis, please let me know in the comment section down below. That way I know to put out more videos on this topic. But today, yeah, we're just going to be talking about moving averages. Very simple indicator, and it's something that can be of use to you for swing trading and day trading and even long-term investing. Okay, so let's get into it. So first off, there are many different types of moving averages. There's the normal moving average, there's an exponential moving average where there is more weight towards certain numbers on there. There's simple moving averages, there's moving average weighted, there's lots of different moving averages, but to keep it simple, keep it beginner friendly, we're just going to be using the normal moving average. Okay, now in TradingView, when you get this, it's going to be on a very short-term basis right off the bat. So what you want to do is go to the length, and this is basically the day. Length is going to be regarded as the day, and type in 25. We're typing 25. And the reason I wanted to type in 25 is because, generally speaking, the main moving averages people look towards are the 25-day, the 50-day, the 100-day, and the 200-day. Those are the main moving averages that most traders look at, most investors look at. Yes, there's people who look at the 23rd day if you're doing very specific trading, but those are the main ones. Write that down: 25, 50, 100, and 200. Okay, now what a moving average is, it's just that. It is the final closing price of whatever asset you're talking about averaged out. Okay, so it's very simple. And there's a lot you could do with them. For one, you could look at moving averages to determine overall market feeling, okay? So these are great at determining what is the market feeling, right? So what we could say right now is Litecoin is above its 25-day moving average. So overall, the sentiment of Litecoin right now is fairly bullish, okay? Overall. And you could see that, look right here, right over here. Litecoin fell under the moving average, right? It fell under the moving average, the short-term moving average, the 25-day moving average. And what happened? It was very negative, right? There was a lot of negative sentiment. And you can really find this pattern wherever you go, where you have these drops under the moving averages, right? Now, moving averages are not the only thing you need to do trading. This is one video in a series of many videos I'm going to go on to make, and I hope you do subscribe to the channel. That way you know when those are uploaded. But yeah, moving averages are very important. Now another thing I wanted to show you guys is another way to determine bullishness versus bearishness is I pulled up the wrong one. How stupid of me. Go to here, moving average. Is you want to pull up a long-term moving average and a short-term moving average. I'm going to tell you why. When a short-term moving average goes above a long-term moving average, when it crosses it, that indicates bullishness. When the reverse happens, that indicates bearishness. So let's pull up a 100-day. And in looking at doing analysis from right here, you would determine that right over here, right at this crossing, that's where Litecoin started getting very bullish, right? And you can see that even with the candlestick. Look how almost perfectly it aligns. Right before that crossing, there's a nice huge surge on a huge candlestick going up, a lot of buying power coming in, and then since then we've been bullish. So another way to look at it is you use two moving averages, and when they cross, you could determine, hey, the market's feeling bullish or the market's feeling bearish. Again, this is very simple, beginner friendly. I'm not trying to overwhelm anyone. In future videos, I'm going to talk more specifically and how you could use this and make this applicable for when you're trading more. But for figuring out general market sentiment, moving averages are very good. They are lagging indicators. They are not something that is predicting the future. They give a overall feeling of how the market is, and you're going to learn about things like golden crosses in these videos that I'm going to be doing. You're going to learn about a lot of different things. or death crosses, and these all have different moving averages in their definition. Like this moving average, a death cross is this moving average crossing under this one, and a golden cross is this moving average going over that one. So there's a lot to talk about. I don't want to overwhelm you, so I think I'll leave it at that. That is the basics of moving averages. Very, very simple, and they could be a very useful tool for when you're trading cryptocurrency and stocks. If you've been wanting to learn how to trade in the stock market or crypto markets, look no further. Trend Mysteries will show you the ins and outs of trading with a state-of-the-art trading system. If you want to purchase this product, the link will be available in the description and in the comment section. This is not financial advice, and invest at your own risk.